Hi guys, welcome to Study More. I am Dr. Anil. Let's start with our today's topic, which is Renault Pentard. Just suppose, guys, one lady or one patient came to you, okay, and you are the emergency department officer. So she's complaining to you that she's having a fever, she's having abdominal pain, okay, she's having abdominal pain, plus she is quite confused, okay. So when you ask a question, so she's quite, you find that she is quite a confusion, the confusion is there, right? Fever, abdominal pain, and confusion you will find there, okay. So once then you assess the patient, okay, then you will assess the patient, then you find the patient blood pressure is on lower side, so it's on the hypotension, so that is, she is in the shock, okay. So when once you examine or assess her abdomen, means palpate or examine abdomen, then you find that pain is located in the right upper contract region, okay. So what are all the signs she is complaining, signs she is having? That she is having fever, she is having right upper contract pain, she is having hypotension, she is having confusion, okay guys. So this confusion, we can see this as altered mental status, okay. This altered mental status plus fever, right upper contract region pain, and hypotension. So these signs, these four signs, okay, so these signs you can call a Renault pentad, okay. You can call it as a Renault pentads, okay guys. So I know here you can only see 1 2 3 and 4 sign only, okay. We'll go further. So in acute cholangitis, okay, let me tell you that this fever plus hypotension or the shock plus abdominal pain, this is called a Charcot's triad, which means Charcot triads plus confusions is nothing but a Reynolds pentad, okay. In acute cholangitis, so Reynolds pentad, if you find a Reynolds pentad, so you can immediately think of the acute cholangitis, okay. So in this you can see that fever is there, right hyperchondriac region tenderness is there, jaundice is there. So 95% of the time in acute cholangitis you can find a fever. In 90% of the time, uh, acute right upper contract region pain is there, jaundice is there 80%. So all these things, this jaundice can cause a mental altered mental status, okay guys. So because of the increased bilirubin level, so this Charcot triad plus the confusion, 15% confusion and hypotension, so all these five sign includes the it that makes a Reynolds pentad, okay guys. I hope you have understood this. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe to Study More. So guys, I'm also thinking about the starting FMGE 21 questions answer, okay. Once I find out the what are all the questions are there, then I'll make an answer. So in 5 to 10 question in each lecture, short videos, short video lecture video, I'll explaining the each answer, why that answer is there, okay, and giving you a detailed explanation of that. So I'm starting with you. Just tell me in the comment section, do you want this to be started or not, okay guys, or we have to go likewise only. So okay guys, so that's all for today. Do like, share, subscribe to our channel Study More. So I know guys, this is free, so nobody will care. So डोंट, कभी कभी ऐसा भी सोच लिया करो कि फ्री में जो होता है वो भी बहुत काम का होता है, वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. इट्स नॉट दैट ऑल इट इज़ फ्री देन इट इज़ नॉट वर्थ, okay. So this is going to make all these things are, see, This Charcot sign is the can make one MCQ, right? So what is Reynolds pentad? Reynolds pentad is one MCQ. Acute cholangitis includes these five signs. This can be make a MCQ. This percentage can make an MCQs. Okay, so here lot of MCQs you can make from this only. So if something happens, means this see, if some questions come in exam that Charcot sign plus altered mental status is what? Is it Reynolds pentad or is it Reynolds phenomena? And two other options. What you will answer? Reynolds phenomena or Reynolds pentad? In the examination time, you will get confused. So that's why I'm making each confusing videos after one after another, so that you will remember at that time only, at that place only. Okay, guys. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, so thank you. Thanks a lot.